Trading.
Trading's dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Dangerous.
It's dangerous stuff.
Let's do it.
Don't do it. Hello and welcome, traders. It's Thursday, September the 21st. I spent barely any time at the desk. Well, at the desk, yes, but not on the platform. But there's always something to talk about and learn from. So let's look at it. Quick overview. The upper is NQ, the middle one horizontal is RTY, and the very bottom is ES. On the left side you have a 15 second, on the right side there's 30-minute chart, and the yellow lines are the initial balance. So based on that, you see that NQ did not break the initial balance, and as you see, ES did break initial balance, traded back in and currently back out. Regarding currently, it is now 1:15 p.m. Chicago time. Quick look at the TPO, like that tail coming in there from the top, that's from yesterday's FOMC where we ended, and here's where we are now, in kind of no man's land. There will probably be some older value areas if I load enough historical data from past days, but for now, that's it. Alright, let's switch to this. As you see, pretty balanced volume profile. POC and RTH VWAP straight in the middle aligned, and not much more going on. Some areas sometimes were like range tradable, scalping wise. Other than that, let's look at the open. So start a little wild. Went down, took a trade here. Delta was slowly coming down, not very clear, but at the time in the DOM you could see clear absorption after a move down, and the rhythm, the breathing, kind of was at an end. There was a bigger volume push without much follow through, and then absorption. So went in for a little scalp, took it off here, pretty much at the top from the next rotation. I wasn't present for all this, I was alt-tab doing other stuff, but it's basically VWAP dance. There we're kind of going towards the low again. ES was very interesting at some point. We definitely kind of closed the bottom. There was like clear exhaustion and opposing aggression, and then we went all the way up towards unfinished auction at the top. Never made it there, and then traded all the way down and broke that otherwise pretty strong low. So that was kind of surprising, and I bet a lot of structural traders kind of had a bad day today. If so, hopefully you did manage your risk. And that's basically it for today for me. I probably won't come back for the close, maybe. In that case I would add something. If the video stops here, then it's probably not so. Tomorrow I can probably not trade at all. I just tapped back into the platform at 14:30 Chicago time, and it was in a convenient spot. Started a position here, was planning to build it up to 8-ish down here to 21 contracts. Looked like it wanted to get me out on one contract again. Probably would have held at least until 10 or initial balance at 19. Didn't do so though, did another push, broke the ledge another time. I added some contracts here and took it out for some profit. I did hit flat instead of getting rid of all but one. Usually that is a good time right now to leave a runner. But I came a little bit unprepared to the platform, and if I'm not in the zone, then I'd rather play it safe. Please consider subscribing, help out the channel, lots more content to come. Trade safe, always manage your risk.